So we've created our route, and also we've created our views, and we've created our method. So let's just link all this together and let's see how it works. So if I should come over to my app, and I can just create this from here. So I can say href, and right here I can say this, and I can say this is the root directory, and I can do the same thing to the about. And right here this will be about. Let's just copy this. This will be contact. So let's close this tag, and we should see some slight changes. Yeah, so those are the changes I was expecting. And right here we can just do a, and we can just say test decoration to be none, color to be inherited. So let's see this. Yeah, so this looks nice for now, and we can now actually click between this, and you can see the page is changing. So you can see that changing. Yeah. So the next thing we want to do is to actually name our route, because for one thing or the other the route can actually change, because I can do this about us, and right here if I should go and click this, I'm going to get an error. So there, that is why it's good to actually name your route. And right here to actually name it, just do this and give it a name of this should be home. And let's give this a name of about, and let's just give this a name of contact. So this makes sense to you. And so let's go over to our app, and right here let's just say name, and right here we're just going to use the route object, and right here we're just going to say route, and this will be home. So route, this will be about, and route, this will be contact. Now even if the even if the route changes now, because we've named the route, we can actually get, we're not actually going to get any error. So if I should come here and say uh, page, and I click on this, we need to refresh first. So when I click on this, you can see it gets those changes by itself because we're using a named route. So let's just do this and remove this. And another thing we can do is, since we this will lead to the root directory, since this home page will lead to the root URL, we can just do URL. Yeah. So this route does not exist anymore. So this will always lead to the root URL. So we can just remove the name from here, So in our app, we can just copy this and paste this so that the filter can have the same thing. So that's it. So that's how you use named routes in Laravel. And in the next video, we're going to look how you can use route parameters. So I'll see you next video, guys.